This is my Invention finger blade. What it is a utility knife that you strap to your finger. And it allows you to continue working, and your hands are free to hold things and keep going. You never have to stop to look for this thing. So I'll show you how it works. It has a self-retracting blade, so you can't cut yourself. You accidentally rub against yourself. So here it goes. Now you can still use your hands. You never have to look for it. It's always right there. And it can cut boxes or anything else a utility knife can, standard utility knife. And here's a shim. Plastic bottle. I mean, anything you can cut with the standard utility knife, you can cut with this. This is just a prototype. I want to manufacture them in plastic. The blade comes out. This is the blade holder. Take your blade out, change it, put it in. This holder can be designed to hold carpenter blades or X-Acto blades. So there's many different varieties you can use this thing for. And that's it.